Hello, children. Here we are going to talk about lesson number 6, The Ghat of the Only World, from the book called Snapshoot. The Ghat of the Only World is written by Amitva Ghosh. Okay. Amitva Ghosh is one of the famous English writer. And before we start, I would like to give you a little brief about this chapter, that what is this lesson is about. This lesson is about a dying man. Okay, a dying man means a man who is going to die soon. A dying man, and his name is Shahid Ali. Okay, professionally he is a poet. Okay, and Shahid Ali he is an expatriate. And what is the meaning of expatriate? Means a person one who live outside their own country. Okay, so he's an expatriate from Kashmir. Okay, and Shahid Ali asked author. Okay, means he asked Amit Ghosh to write something about him after he is gone. After he's gone means after his death. Okay, the following piece is what the Amit Ghosh wrote to keep his promise to his friend Saeed Ali. Okay, so in short, in brief, in easy language, if I say, so Sahid Ali is a sick person. Okay, he's going to die, and he knew when he's going to die. So, and Amitva Ghosh is good friend of Sahid Ali. So Sahid Ali has requested Amitva Ghosh to write about him when he die. Okay, so this story, the Ghat of the Only World by Amitva Ghosh, deal with it. Okay, and now gradually we will move ahead. We will see what is there more in this chapter. Let's see. Here, first we have introduction of Amitva Ghosh, okay, the writer. The Amitva Ghosh was born in Calcutta on 11 July 1956. He has written many books such as The Circle of Reason and The Hungry Tide. He was awarded with Padma Shri in year 2007. Okay, this is about Amitva Ghosh. As you can see here in the picture also, who is the Amitva Ghosh is. Okay. Now we go ahead. Now this man, Syed Ali Khan. Okay, Syed Ali Khan is the main protagonist of our story. Okay. Now, his full name is Aga Shahid Ali in Brooklyn. Okay. When this discussion took place between in Brooklyn, and what is the Brooklyn? Brooklyn is the name of a place. Okay. This is a place. So in foreign country where he met Amitva Ghosh. Okay. So Aga Saeed Ali Khan Ali in Brooklyn, almost to the very end, even as his life was being consumed by his disease. So Sahid Ali was aware about this thing, that his body is getting weak day by day. He was having some problem. Okay. So he was the center of a perpetual carnival. Now it is mentioned he was the center of perpetual. Perpetual is an adjective. This word, if I show you here. It's perpetual. Okay. The perpetual is something, it's an adjective which means something which is lasting forever and for a long time. So he was the center of a perpetual carnival. Okay. And what the carnival means? This word carnival. I'll show you. Right. Carnival, the dictionary meaning of the carnival is a festival or the occasion which is marked by parades and sometimes the special food and other entertainment. Okay, that is called carnival here. So he was the center of the perpetual carnival, an endless mela of talk. Okay. Now, why the author is calling him? He was the center of a perpetual carnival. Now, in other words, it is described that he was an endless mela of talk. Okay, Means one, he is very talkative. He loved to talk, laughter. He liked food, and of course poetry. Okay, so this is described here that what he likes. He likes talk, laughter, food, and poetry. These are the certain things which he likes. We see ahead. Now, here is about his approaching death. Okay. The first time that Aga Sahid Ali first spoke to the author about his approaching death was on April 25, 2001. Okay, this is the time that Aga Sahid Ali Khan said to Amit Ghosh that he is going to die. He realized that thing. Okay, and what was his expectation? He wanted Amit Ghosh to write about something about him when he died. So although he had been under the treatment for cancer for some 14 months. So what disease he was suffering from? He was suffering from cancer. Sahid was a poet. Okay, he was a poet, as I told you. Through his poems, through his melodious words, and stunning sentences. You know the word called stunning is derived from the word stun, S-T-U-N. All right, it's an adjective, and the meaning of stunning. I just show you this word here. This stunning. What's the stunning is something which is exceptionally beautiful or attractive, or other words I can say something which is amazing or wonderful. It's called stunning. Sentences. He gave liberty to life to shake hands with death. Okay. Knowing the fact very well that time was limited, Ali opened his treasure trove. Here is use the word called treasure trove. Now, what is this treasure trove? See, right? The treasure trove means a valuable discovery. Okay, what it is? A valuable discovery. So Ali opened his valuable discovery, okay, a treasure trove of enormous life force and tied Ghosh with the ropes of nostalgia. Okay, now what does it mean? Okay, so knowing the fact that very well that the time was limited means Ali was familiar with this thing that soon he is going to die. So he has opened, and what he has opened, that all the past memories of their childhood and their adulthood, okay, the time which Sahid Ali and Amit Ghosh has spent together, okay, so with the ropes of nostalgia, here the word is used, right? And what does it mean? We are talking about here the speaker's childhood or young years. Okay, if I show you this word here, right, as you can see. So we are talking about their childhood. Okay, we are talking about their adulthood, the time they have spent together. This is what we are talking about. Now, the opposite of nostalgia is, if I tell you the opposite word for that, so that is called the nostopathy, okay, or nostophobia. This is the opposite words for it actually. All right, let's see further. We go ahead. Now, what was the common thing between Sahid and Amit Ghosh? Okay, what was the common characteristic as they both were friends? So, what qualities they have? Okay, so both the writers lived in Brooklyn. Okay, they both love to write one thing. Maybe Shahid Ali likes to write more poetry, and Amit Ghosh likes to write more stories. But they both were some writers. Okay, and the second common interest which they have, they loved Rogan Josh. Now see this word here, Rogan Josh. I don't know how many of you have heard this name. It's called Rogan Josh. Okay. Now what is this Rogan Josh here? This thing Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh is it's a kind of a curry made with lamb flavored with tomato and chili, etc. So they like this thing. Beside this, what these two friends they like, they also like classics, Kishore Kumar songs. They both were fond of old songs of Kishore Kumar. They also like Bollywood, old Bombay films, means Bollywood movies. Okay, Ma- and they also have many common friends. Now, what do you mean by the common friends? Like you guys have a common friend, right? Like for example, like when you have the Facebook page or something, so it shows you who is your common friend, right? Means you are there is a person which you are also familiar and your friend is also familiar. So that is called a common friend. Now, this lesson is a tribute to his friend to fulfill his last wish. Okay, so this lesson that is called the Ghat of the Only World is a tribute, okay, to his friend. Okay, to whose friend? To the author's friends. And who is the friend here? We're talking about Shahid Ali. Shahid Ali is his author's friend. So this is a tribute. It's a way of saying thanks to him. So this is all about this lesson. Okay. Now what more you need to do, that you have to read the chapter very carefully from your textbook. Okay, and then you will be able to understand this. Okay. In short, if I describe, so this lesson is the story of the two friends that is called Syed Ali and Amit Ghosh. Okay, they both met in a place called Brooklyn, and Syed Ali was aware about this thing that soon he is going to die. Okay, so he wanted, and why he wanted, why he was aware about this thing, because he was having some disease. Okay, and the disease is called cancer here in this chapter, right? So he was suffering from cancer disease and he was aware. So Sahid Ali has requested his friend Abhitu Ghosh that when he die, so he should write something about him. Okay, and Abhitu Ghosh has kept his word by writing this chapter, The Ghat of the Only World, as a tribute to his friend. Okay, so all right, kids, this much for this lesson. Thank you and bye.